Hey everyone, 065 here, and here we have a Aibo ERS-210 that I recently got them fixing up yesterday. His name is Gizmo. He's owned by my friend Phillip in the Lots of Bots group. And this little fella had a lot of issues. I had to clean approximately 13 potentiometers. Here, 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 2 of them in here, and then the ones in the entire head. And of course he needed new clutches, so I bought some from a friend. And now he works. He does have his ears right there. And his battery came in from the Aibo clinic, so here he is. Go ahead and do a quick pause while we wait. Stand up. Turn left. Turn left. Stand up. Really doesn't want to do much, but he works in everything now better than he did before. So if you guys enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more, because here we have DOG, another member's Aibo. He needs some serious issues, not serious issues. He has some serious issues, and I'll be showing a video of him later of what's wrong with him. So stay tuned. He's like, he no work. See y'all on the next one.